Okay, so this is week 1, lesson 6 notes. I apologize for the typo that you're looking up there, but I did fix it, sort of. Okay, so this lesson is on something called function composition. So notice your notation here. This is actually, it's very, very subtle, but it's really, really important. Let me show you what exactly I'm talking about. Is this little, hopefully you can see that highlighted part right there. Let me make it really big. Right here, that open dot means something besides, sorry, that should be black. So that means something besides multiplication. It doesn't mean multiplication at all. It means that you're going to take this 7, you're going to plug it into the g function first, right? So we're going to do g of 7 and get, let's see, 7 squared plus 5, which is 49 plus 5. We're going to get 54, all right? Now we're going to take that answer and we're going to now put it into the h function. Okay, so again, 7 goes into g, then g, whatever answer you get goes into h. So I need to put 54 into this h function, which is 3 times 54 plus 2. What is that? 150 and 162 and 2, so it's 164. Okay, we're going to try another one. All right, so here, let me move this up. Okay, here, this notation is telling me I'm going to take -2 and put it into the g function. So g of -2. So -2 squared minus 3. That's 4 minus 3. That's 1. I'm going to take that answer and put it into the f function. So f of 1 is going to be 4 times 1 plus 4. That's 4 plus 4. That equals 8. Okay, so now if I move this up, you can see another form of function composition. This is saying if I put t into the g function, what do I get? Well, it's kind of strange. When I put t into the g function, I get this. So now I need to take all of that and put it into the h function. So when I put t squared minus 2t into the h function, it looks like this. T squared minus 2t plus 3, right? I have replaced that t with that binomial. So I'm going to distribute -3t squared plus 6t plus 3. There aren't any like terms to combine there, so that is my whole answer. Okay, so I have one more example for you. It's saying take the g function, the entire thing, all of this, and put it into the f function. So I'm going to have 4 times 4t minus 1 plus 2. So then I distribute 16t minus 4 plus 2. These two are like, I can put those together, and I get 16t minus 2.